Hey everybody, so I want to share with you this Chrome extension where you can split your browser into two with Dualless. And so you would install the Chrome extension right up here. So I have two different windows. I have a Google window and then I have my blog window. And so I can click on this Chrome extension, and when I'm in this particular browser screen, I can say, you know what, I want this to be my 4:6. So this ratio is 4, and I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to go right here, and this one's going to be my 6. And so here, see how they clump together? Now I can adjust things simply by clicking and dragging, and I can move things over. But if I want to change the ratio again, I can click on here, and let's say that I want a 7:3. So this is going to be the 7. I'm going to go over here. This is going to be the 3. Now it does it horizontally, but it also does it vertically as well. So I can click here, and let's say, for instance, I wanted 3:7. So I want this up here. And then I want over here, this particular Chrome extension. I'm going to click on this, and I want this. Actually the bottom part. So now I can navigate through this browser and I can navigate through this browser. So it does take some getting used to. I do notice that you do have to have uh, access the Chrome extension on both browser windows. It only works in Chrome. It's not going to work for if you have any other windows or any other applications open. So just keep that in mind when you are using this particular extension.